What's going on, my lovely, lovely supporters? This your boy Tony, and I'm back with another video. Yes. Look, man, I did a live the other day. I rarely ever do a live. I did a live yesterday, and I had a lot of words of encouragement for my supporters, and I want to say thank you so very much, because you know sometimes your boy just about to just say F YouTube, like stick it up, F you YouTube.
Fella, please get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
They be doing your boy dirty on them views, man. They be doing your boy dirty on the views, man. But in the meantime, over here making thousands of dollars over there on Facebook.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Now tell me, which way would you go? Facebook, thousands of dollars, or YouTube, that's barely giving you any views? Which way would you go? Yeah, exactly. But I'm only continue to do this because of you, okay? YouTube getting on my nerves, like really getting on my nerves. I kid you not. But what did that? See, I'm getting mad, and I start stuttering when I get mad. But I'm gonna continue to do YouTube for my lovely, awesome supporters. Y'all keep me going, man. Y'all really do, and I just want y'all to know that y'all keep me going. Okay, I'm gonna keep grinding. I'm a grind. Okay, I'm a grind. It's hard, man. It's hard doing these videos, putting my all into the videos, getting 20, 25 views. You know what? I'm stop complaining, because I'm lucky I'm getting that. Some people don't even get that. I'm just gonna stop complaining. I'm gonna stop complaining, all right? But today I'm gonna be making some spare ribs. Okay, I haven't had spare ribs in a long time. I made some chicken the other day. I'm editing that video now, but y'all see that video soon. Okay, but I'm gonna be making some spare ribs with some fresh corn on the cob, the ones you gotta chuck. I got that corn, okay? But hit the like button for your boy. Share this if you can, please. It helps out so much. And let's cook, because I'm hungry, man. I'm starving like Marvin. So let's hurry up and cook this food, man. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the spare ribs that I got before I start cooking them. These are the spare ribs. I probably should have got more, because y'all know I like to eat. I just really hope this is enough. I really do. This is the bone in spare ribs, okay? So y'all know I got to clean my meat, the bone. I got to clean the meat. I got the drainer in the drainer, because I'm gonna be rinsing and rubbing and rinsing and rubbing. So let me go ahead and clean these spare ribs up real quick. I might do a quick little montage to show y'all, but we'll see. I'm done cleaning the pork chops. I cut them up in little pieces, like half pieces, so it can make my life more easier. The onion and herb. Yep, take the onion and herb. I'm gonna go.
The spare ribs?
Yes. I'm gonna take the onion and herb and go on the spare ribs. Some meat tenderizer that I just finally got the other day. I didn't even open it yet. But this stuff is really good. Can't go wrong with good old meat tenderizer. Alright? We're going to go with the meat tenderizer. Alright, and a little bit of garlic. Alright? Now, Now, what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over like so. Now you're just going to get this side with the seasoning. Next, we're going to do is we're going to take some butter. We're going to set it on top like so. And voila. Now we just, let me wash my hands real quick. Now we're just going to have to fold this up the best I can. I'm going to add a little bit more onion and herb. Okay. Yeah, that's not going to work. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one off. Take one off. And I'm just going to slide this over. And we're just going to go with it that way. Like so. Bam. Alright. Put this one aside. This is the one that we set aside. I'm going to wrap this bad boy up. Bam. Pork chops. Not pork chops, I said pork chops. Spare ribs, right? Now I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest and get back. Alright, my lovely, awesome, great people. I got all the spare ribs packed up and into the pan. I do have an extra pan. I got them on top of each other for the moment, because I didn't want to use my other pan, being cheap. They only like $3. So I'm just going to just cook it like this, because I got the aluminum foil on it. So it should be fine, alright? I got the oven preset, as y'all can see it's on. We're going to throw that bad boy in there. Give it a little space and grab the other one. Can't put that in the oven. That'll burn and smell and have you mess up your whole day. Alright, make sure nothing under there. Okay. Alright. Let's throw that in there. Alright, and we are good to go. Got the butter, got the seasoning, all that good stuff in there, okay? And close my dirty oven. And the oven is set to 375. I should put it on higher. Yeah, I'm just going, I wanted the slow, that's why I'm starting early. That's why I'm starting early, because I wanted to have it cook slow. Hold on, y'all. This light will fall on your head. Hold on. Alright. Because I wanted to cook it nice and slow. But I don't have that kind of time. When I come home from work, I'm tired. And I want to take a nap. So, we're going to try to rush through this process. So, I'm taking my... Talk right. I'm going to take it out in like an hour and 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30. We'll see, okay? So, we'll be back.
2 hours later.
As the spare ribs are done, I just took them out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out this aluminum foil so I can put the barbecue sauce on, alright? Look at this. Look at those spare ribs, y'all. Look at those spare ribs. Nicely cooked. Can y'all see that? Nicely cooked. Woo. Look at that. Look at them spare ribs, y'all. Look at them spare ribs. Nicely cooked. The barbecue sauce. I got honey barbecue sauce. Get it a good old shake. Open this up. Honey barbecue sauce, alright? And we just want to go this. Alright. I had me a little brush so I can brush it on there. Alright. I'm gonna throw some onions on mine because I love onions. I already put a little seasoning on there. And mushrooms. Okay. Throw that on there. Bam, look at that. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna throw this back in the oven for 30 to 20 minutes, okay? 20 minutes. And I'll show you what it is. It's gonna be perfect. Watch. Corn is out the way. We got fresh corn, by the way. But the main thing is, look at these good old spare ribs. Oh yeah, look at them. Look at that. Yeah, I know that oven hot as hell. Look at them spare ribs. Look at them. Look at them mushrooms and onions. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Yeah, your boy throwdowns in the kitchen. I throw down in the kitchen. Let me get the thumbnail. Y'all know I got, because thumbnail is everything. This is a thumbnail. Yep, focus, Tony. There you go. That's a thumbnail right there. Alright, I'm gonna make my plate real quick because I'm hungry. And let's do the taste test. I'm finally done dinner. As y'all can see, look at this. Got the, oh God, this is, the kids absolutely love it. Take a bite of the spare ribs with a little onion, okay? There you go. Spare ribs is falling off the bone. That's how tender the spare ribs is. Y'all can see the corn. I got the spray butter on there. 10 out of 10. Y'all want to try this? Copy the recipe on my channel. Let me know if you make it. I'm about to turn this up. Peace.
Perfect.